Hello my people, how una dey? Please don't forget to like this video and turn your post notification after you subscribe to our channel. So of recent, the Nigerian Senate held a meeting and Senator Natasha Akpoti was absent. You guys know that she is currently on a 6-month suspension, which the Nigerian Senate said that it can be lifted only if she tender an apology to the public, to the Nigerians, and also to the Senate. So you guys know that Senator Natasha also took the case outside Nigeria to report Akpabio to the United Nations there in New York. And Akpabio said that he has already gotten the gist. What she did is not just tarnishing his image. In fact, she didn't do that to tarnish his image. She's doing that to bring down the name of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So he said that they are still open for negotiation if she can tender an apology, before she take the matter to another level again. That she should have just waited for the petition she submitted in the Senate or the petition she submitted in the court. So he didn't know why Senator Natasha will go this extra mile to start taking the case outside Nigeria when Nigeria itself can handle the case. Anyway, I go leave you and make and watch this video because this case, I'm very sure for Natasha to be doing all of this, I know that this woman, she get evidence, she get receipts, she get her plenty, so a woman can't just come outside and if not, I really don't know what she is looking for. Some people are saying that this is politically motivated, but I don't really think that this is about politics. This is about what Akpabio did to Natasha. Yes, a lot of you have also been saying that Natasha should have spoken up. Why did she wait till this very moment of time? Well, everything happens for a reason. I think Akpabio and what's her name, Natasha, has already been keeping this in her mind until the day that Akpabio is going to step on her toes, which of course you and I have been seeing. So guys, I will leave you all to watch this other video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share our video, don't forget to comment and subscribe, turn your post notifications so you get notified anytime we drop new gist. I'll see you guys in my next video.
This much expiration that the Senate may have to look into the case and give her a feedback. Of course, the issues now is that the members of that committee are saying that they didn't read all of that and they would not have accepted everything that way there, even if they had agreed that she should be suspended. A lot of those things, of course, you could know that the security details, the aid, dropping her cars, were not supposed to have signed. And even her referring to herself as a senator of the Federal Republic would not have signed. She's already been suspended. INEC did not collect her certificate of return. She's still a senator for the 4-year period, and this matter is even in court. So what happened was that, according to the insider report, members of the committee are alleging, right, that their signatures that they use in signing the attendance registered will not be transferred to, meaning that they authenticated or they endorsed all of these proceedings or all of these items in the suspension note. And this is a lie. So of course, forgery is in the blood of these guys. And unfortunately, just in case some of you want to know, I've said it in several videos, but I need to make it clear. Senator Neda Emerson may have been elected into the National Assembly on the platform of the Labour Party. However, until his election, he was the personal assistant to the former senator that had left the National Assembly representing Edo South Senatorial District for the PDP, now in the APC, pharmacist Matthew Iroride. However, this was the same thing that Godswill Akpabio did in Akwa Ibom and Ahmed Lawal, the former Senate president, did. Because Iroride had all of the issues at that time. He was contending with wanting to re-represent his party in the National Assembly for the PDP. There were contending issues in the PDP at that time, with a faction of the legacy PDP and the other one led by former Governor Godwin Obaseki. While the former Governor Godwin Obaseki was open to conversations, but people said that he was dancing to the tune of Matthew Uduaghan. However, the legacy PDP had already endorsed Engineer Ogbedeyama, who has also as their candidate or as their choice, pending all of the crisis happening. So for Matthew felt like maybe the end of all of this crisis would be that he should go and then go back to the Senate for a third term. But of course, that was supposed to be. So according to the issues report in the public place, Neda Emeagwali was asked to go and collect the form of the Labour Party to hold as a placeholder pending when all of these issues were going to end, just in case anything. He would have that opportunity to contest. But of course, before that, the Labour Party also became very choked, and people started to show interest in running for the seat. However, Neda Emeagwali went on to win the primaries and all of that. So Rogide stepped down, but of course he had moved on to the APC. So Neda Emeagwali is a son and a political mentee of Matthew Rogide, who of course in the last few years have been jumping from party to party. So he is not, like, as I talk to you right now, and this is in public understanding, Senator Neda Emeagwali is currently working and liaising with Matthew Rogide to see how they can give him the ticket to run on the platform of the APC. Of course, he's aware that the other people are tired of his lies and deceit and manipulation, no value that he has brought. He just only used the Peter Obi and Labour Party platform to get to, he wasn't even qualified, because I remember campaigning for LP all through. This guy did not do any major campaign, and I'm not sure I saw more than 2 of his billboard, maybe one Sienna that used to drive around Ugbo that was branded by maybe somebody that was loyal to him. I'm not sure, because there were times where meetings were being held and they said he did not even have anything to have gone to. So, but it was okay for us at that time. It was ensuring that we had a new a breath of fresh air in the political terrain, both in the presidency and all other attendants. And I remember, and I still say it, the labor we had in putting Neda Emeagwali and even the other guy in the House of Rep that has not decamped to the APC, God will continue to use it to fight them. That's why Neda will continue to have battles till this system, until he return back to where he belongs, where you leave the Senate. I know his life will never remain the same, because he's amassed a lot of wealth, but you will have frustrations. You will always be frustrated. You will never have peace of mind. Neda, go and write it down. So because all of the sweat, the burden, I led the polling unit to 12 that day. My family were scared of what I was doing, waiting to ensure that your vote were defended, only for you to get there and you are doing rubbish. You are not conniving. So as I told you, Neda is currently frolicking with the APC, wanting to get the ticket, because he knows, of course, Labour Party, nobody will send them. I'm not even sure Labour Party will be able to have all of the attendant pressure that they had in 2023 election. So he's already wanting to use the APC, and of course, if he gets the APC ticket, it's going to be automatic return to the Senate for him. So he will do anything. So let's clear that part, that Neda may be LP. So no, it's not. There's no democratic process there. The guy will kneel down before anybody, will do just anything, like he has done now, forging certificates of people that attended a meeting, to turning it to becoming that they endorse the suspension. So we'll wait for further happenings or openings about this. I'm expecting the senators who feel, but of course, all of these guys are not being talked to and spoken to. All of this information are now being given out as though, oh, this wasn't the situation. But can they talk? Because everybody is scared. Everybody wants to return to the Senate. Everybody is scared of the. Now it is currently this country now that people are saying you will never return. Wike has said it to Ireti. Natasha is not being told that she will never return. And unfortunately, this is how democracy has turned to in Nigeria. Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. The National Assembly that is supposed to be the pivotal, the place where we are supposed to have all of these conversations of various of divergent opinions and thoughts, especially as it regards development of this country. It's not a place where there's a clandestine pressure to ensure that everybody speaks and use one route or one route to see issues. And it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. People are decamping consistently in that place. Everybody, even it is becoming so bad because everybody is scared. They've not seen the handwriting on the wall that if you are not at peace with the APC, forget it, you will not return. And of course, they have tasted all of the benefit that come, because at the moment in Nigeria, if you do not have government money as consistent income inflow, you cannot survive the country. You cannot, because everything, is it power, is it security, all of these things are not available for the common man. So it's a whole lot, and hopefully we hope that this will expose more. And it's unfortunate, and this same Senate president that has collided with Neda Emeagwali's committee and some members of the committee to bring about this abortion of justice on another senator is saying that somebody is causing embarrassment to the country. You can see where we have gone to, where Bola Tinubu and his gang has led us to. A mess of a system, a mess of a society. God will judge all of us in Jesus' name.